Etsy has become one of the largest marketplaces with millions of active buyers and sellers all over the world. Over 2.5 million online merchants from 234 countries use Etsy to sell their products. Etsy provides an API that allows software developers to integrate their e-commerce software or applications with the Etsy platform. With the Etsy API, developers can work with databases, retrieve and manage valuable store data, such as orders, products, inventory, shipments, and more. The Etsy API follows the REST architecture and uses JSON-formatted responses. Additionally, this API uses OAuth 2.0 for secure authentication to access private and public user data for reading and writing. The Etsy API supports HTTP methods such as put, post, get, and delete, enabling all key CRUD operations on Etsy resources. Etsy's data model is flexible but has unique attributes, and listings may not always follow standard product structures, which can complicate integration for multi-channel software. Integrating the Etsy API into your software or app can enhance its functionality and usability, providing more value for your customers. Etsy integration opens up exciting opportunities for software developers looking to build powerful SaaS tools for sellers and businesses. However, direct Etsy API integration can be expensive, time-consuming, and difficult to maintain, especially since your development team needs to understand the Etsy API architecture before connecting to it. API 2 Cart offers a unified API that allows your e-commerce software to integrate with Etsy and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Magento, WooCommerce, Wix, OpenCart, BigCommerce, Shopee, Temu, TikTok Shop, Flipkart, and others at once, all through a single integration. Also, API 2 Cart provides 100+ API methods, making it easier to access, manage, and sync all necessary store data, such as orders, products, inventory, shipments, and more, without the need to write unique code for each platform from scratch. It helps you avoid all integration challenges and continuously monitors API changes, allowing software developers to focus on core product features. Instead of spending months developing and maintaining separate integrations, software developers can integrate once with API 2 Cart. This unified approach saves development time and resources, minimizes maintenance costs, and offers a scalable solution for Etsy integration. Contact us today and explore how to develop Etsy API integration quickly and easily via API 2 Cart. Start your free trial right now.